Hello, third grade. How is it going? It is Mrs. Smith. Good to see you. And by see you, I mean good to talk to you. What's new? All right. So, you guys did a lovely job adding that quarter rest into your rhythms and performing them. So, I'm going to share a couple that got sent to me. Some of them had body percussion with them, some of them did not. Both are okay. So this one was sent in by, nope, there we go. This one was sent in by Eric. So his sounds like T, 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 ta, shh. Nice job. And then we had another one sent in by Emily, and hers looked like this. There we go. So hers looked like this. Ta, rest, T, 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 T. And I'm going to do that with a sh. Ta, sh, T, 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 T. Nice. And actually, Emily, that one was, you made that one really tricky, which is very cool. When your last beat out of 1, 2, 3, 4, out of 4 beats are eighth notes, it makes it seem like you want to repeat. Or it almost sounds unfinished. Whereas if you were to do this, it would sound like, okay, we're good, it's done. Ta, sh, ti, ti, ta. That just kind of sounds like it's finished versus ta, sh, ti, 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 which is a perfectly fine rhythm, but some people find it a little bit trickier to perform. Awesome. I am going to introduce you guys to these are called building bricks. Look at that. And they are made up of all rhythms that we have done so far. We have quarter notes, our tas. We have our eighth notes, our teepees. We have our rests, our shh. And these are what I'm going to be calling building bricks. You'll notice there are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go over how each of them sound here. So number 1 sounds like ta, 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 ta. There we go. Number 2 sounds like ti, ti, ta. I'll do it again. Ti, ti, ta. Also, it can also help to think short, short, long if you want. We've got this guy right here, this number 3, ta, sh. Perfect. We have this one right here, which sounds like ta, ti, ti. Ooh. I'll do that one more time. Ta, ti, ti. Or alternatively, long, short, short. And then last, we have this group. This one is definitely the busiest, right? So we have ti, 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 ti. Very cool. So you're probably asking yourself, Mrs. Smith, why is there a ladybug and a blobfish and a stegosaurus and a sea urchin and a dog doing at the bottom of this page? Well, this is matching, as you can see from the title, matching. So we are going to match our animals to which building brick they go with. So I'm going to start easy and get a little bit harder on you. So we're actually going to start with our last one, our T, 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 T. Okay, so we T, T. Okay, now which of these animals, if you clapped their name, sounds like? So I'm going to start with ladybug. Does that sound like? Nope. What about this guy? He's so sad and grumpy looking, you guys. I love it. So does blobfish sound like? Nope. What about stegosaurus? Does stegosaurus sound like? You bet it does. So we're going to drag and drop our stegosaurus right here. Hello. Isn't he cute, you guys? He's adorable. Hello. All right, let's now go to our third one. We'll go to our ta, sh. So let's check it out. So here's our ladybug. ladybug? Does that sound like ta, sh? Nope. What about blobfish? Does that sound like sh? Nope. All right, we got this cute little spiny dude, our sea urchin. Does sea urchin sound like sh? Nope. Now here is our dog. Does dog sound like sh? You bet it does. Nice. Very cool. So dog has one sound. This rhythm has one sound and a rest. Very cool. All right, now we're going to go to this first one. These two quarter notes are ta, ta. And I bet you guys will be able to figure this out because you're smart. So here's our ladybug. Does that sound like? Nope. What about blobfish? Does that sound like? Indeed it does. Nice work. There we go. All right, so I saved these two building bricks for the end. These two are what tend to give people the most trouble because they have 1, 2, 3 sounds, 1, 2, 3 sounds each. However, it makes a difference which order they're in, whether the eighth note is first and the quarter note is second, or the quarter note is first and the eighth note is second. So I'm going to clap these rhythms back to back and give you guys an idea of how they sound. So number 2, this building brick sounds like ti-ti-ta, or short, short, long. And this one, number 4, sounds like ta-ti-ti, or long, short, short. So these two are definitely the most confusing and require the most practice to get right. And here's the thing. To find words that go with this rhythm, the ti-ti-ta, or the short, short, long, finding words to go along with that rhythm is actually a lot easier than finding words that go along with ta-ti-ti, or long, short, short. So if you're not certain, honestly, your better guess is to decide that it's a short, short, long. And sometimes words don't neatly belong to one or the other, and that is also okay. But with these two animals, our ladybug and our sea urchin, there is a correct answer for this. So let's try it out. Here's number 2. Ti-ti-ta. All right, so does ladybug sound like? It does, and that is in fact the correct answer. So that must mean that sea urchin belongs to this building brick number 4, sea urchin, long, short, short. Do you guys kind of hear how that goes? It is definitely a little bit tricky, but that's okay, because we're going to practice one more time before I give you guys your assignment. Bonus matching! Aren't these guys cute? For this one, I just chose all animals that live in the water, except for woodpecker, and you'll figure that out pretty quick. So if you would like to pause this for a moment and see if you can figure it out without my help, go for it. If you would like to just stay on the video and do that, then just stay on the video and watch me do it. Cool. All right, so building brick number 1. All right, so I have woodpecker, I have dolphin, I have whale, I have alligator, or alternatively, crocodile. They actually both work for this. Or jellyfish. So which one goes best with? Ta-da! You got it! All right, let's see if we can go in order this time. Here's building brick number 2. So here's woodpecker, whale, crocodile, jellyfish. Which one sounds like? Ti-ti-ta. You got it. jellyfish. Cool. And then here's this one. So, or ta, rest. So, which one goes here? Is it woodpecker? Is it whale? Or is it crocodile? You guys got it. It's a whale. Isn't he cute? Look at his little spout, you guys. I'm in love with this picture. Oh my goodness. All right, and now we have this one. So the other very tricky one, but I bet you guys have figured out what it is, even based on process of elimination. So here we go. So it's ta, ti, ti, or long, short, short. Does that sound like woodpecker or crocodile? You got it. It's the woodpecker. So that must mean that T is alligator or crocodile. And then what becomes super fun is that you can start making sentences almost out of these words. I'll give you an example here. Super fun. So we're gonna do there we go. We just made a picture rhythm sentence with only the underwater one. So we have crocodile, whale, dolphin, jellyfish. Isn't that cute? I love that. And then we can just take things out. Like I can take him out. I can stick him in there. And all of a sudden we have a whole new rhythm sentence, whole new pictures. Crocodile, whale, woodpecker, jellyfish. Do you love this? I love this. Okay, I'm gonna switch these guys now. Now listen. Crocodile, jellyfish, woodpecker, whale. Guys, that's so much fun. I just love it. Cool. So your assignment is going to be a rhythm match, but instead of animals, it is going to be, I believe it is fruits and vegetables. So you are going to drag and drop each icon to what building brick you think it is going to be under. I will check it. I will let you know how you've done. And next time we will have, I believe we're going to do our soda song next weekend, or our pop song next week. If you know, I say soda because I'm from Utica. My Buffalo family says pop because they're from Buffalo. So we're going to do our soda pop song next time. How's that? Hope you guys are having a great week. I had so much fun making this video. Hope you liked it too. As always, let me know if you have any questions. I can be reached at esmith1@midlakes.org, or you can just message me right on Seesaw. Have a great day, guys. Bye!